I've lost over 220 pounds and I made a low carb Philly cheesesteak Alfredo. Let me show you how to do it. I'm gonna chop up one sweet onion using my veggie chopper. Unless you have chopping skills like Gordon Ramsay. Lie detector test determined that was a lie. You do not. Use your veggie chopper. I'm gonna chop up one green bell pepper with my veggie chopper. If you don't wanna use a green pepper, use whatever kind of pepper you want. I'm gonna spray my skillet with some non-stick cooking spray. You definitely can just use some olive oil if you want to. Just trying to keep the calories down. I'm gonna soften my onion and my green bell pepper. As my onions and peppers are softening, I'm gonna add in some sirloin steak. These are frozen. These from Sam's Club. I don't know if y'all remember when I got this. It's about 12 ounces of steak. I've also picked this up from Walmart before. This is what I used last time. It's really good too. These aren't seasoned, so this is gonna be a little bit different for me this time. I've got my 3 steaks in here. Let's add in some of the seasoning because the other ones I used last time were seasoned and these aren't, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning. Just do it all. I'll just be careful not to add a bunch of salt or anything. I'm gonna add in some white cheddar Laughing Cow cheese. I use about 3 of the triangles. A lot of y'all aren't gonna like this, but I do use jarred Alfredo. She does have carbs. If you don't want all the carbs, blend cottage cheese with onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and milk. Make yourself an Alfredo. You can also do it with Greek yogurt. But we're going with this today because we're lazy, okay? The Kaizen low carb pasta. Our water's ready and boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. I do pour in some water. Now I season my food. You do you, but I do garlic powder, Italian seasoning, pepper, and onion powder. I don't like to cook my pasta all the way, that way it doesn't get mushy. Parmesan or cheese flavored sawdust, I like to throw it in, makes it a little more cheesier and helps thicken it up. And would it be cheesesteak without the cheese? Absolutely not. So I'm gonna add in some mozzarella cheese on top. You know I love my cheese. Cover and let her melt. I know I promised this recipe ages ago, but at least we got around to it, right? So let's taste test. It looks delish. Y'all gonna make this.